Hello. 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 Look at this guy. Honestly, I wasn't expecting him. Hello. Hello. Now, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here's a look. Alright. There's the bird. Honestly, wasn't expecting to find a kitten at this particular spot. I've never found them before. There you go. What? There you go. Look. Eat. Now, new surprise. Surprise find. Well, hello. Yeah, you're more torty than black, aren't you? Yeah. So this is where this guy was getting his food. I'm still a bit surprised. Hello, Mr. Trot. Where are you going? Oh, you want to come with me? Oh, you want to come with me? Meow, Mr. Trot. No purring now. Happy days. Basically, it is an absolutely universal rule here. Wherever in the throw chocolate bar wrapper, another one will come along and throw a cat or a kitten away. Purring. How long you been here? Yeah. Hello. Okay, little fella. Alright, little man. You throw it away tonight, yeah? I think definitely tonight. Now, and the big question, are you on your own? How long am I going to have to spend here now looking for any of your relatives? Okay? Sorry, it's not your mama. Not really. Okay, little guy. Okay. Happy, yeah? Happy not to be on your own, I think, yeah? Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Or girl, don't know. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Now, we'll get you something to eat and then something to drink. We'll get things together and then we'll search for brothers and sisters. Okay, don't wander off. Here, come here. Come on. Come on. Oi, 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 oi. Come on, over here where I can keep an eye on you. Now, stay there. Okay? Hang on a minute. Come here. Hey, 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 hey. Kitten food. Now. Now. And now all of you know this drill before. We're going to have to search here to make sure he's on his own and hasn't got brothers or sisters. Which can be a problem because sometimes brothers or sisters can be shyer and stay hidden. But these are the problems that monastics and evil people cause. You want drinky, huh? You get your drinky instead, yeah? Well, you're a patient little sod, aren't you? Which helps. What are you doing sitting there? Come on. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Yeah, have drinky now. Now, little guy. It's gonna lock you up for a little while, yeah? Just so you're safe, yeah? Okay, little man. Good boy, yeah? Be back in a minute, yeah? Okay, as usual now, we're gonna have to have a good look up and down the road just to make sure. This guy has probably been thrown away in the last 40 minutes, not even an hour, because it's just gone dark. So the chances of being separated are pretty small. There's probably no one else here, but we look just to make sure. Nice little guy. Thankfully he's not too afraid. So I was able to catch him easily. In just one day today, this is the second kitten that we've rescued. And it's getting harder and harder for us to do anything. YouTube, Google is just draconianly pulverizing our views every single video we put up for no reason. I can't fathom the level of evil in a company to do that to people who are just trying to do charitable work. It's already having a direct effect on our ability to look after these guys, and that is directly because of YouTube, Google cutting the views on every single video that I put up. I've said it before, and I really wish someone could help us find legal help. I have no idea why it's been done to us, what the purpose of it is, but I seem to not be able to find any other charity that this is being done to. Yeah. What's all that, huh? Now, microbush. Yeah, I'll just lock you in for a sec, yeah? Just sort my stuff out. Who are you, huh? Who are you? Where is she, huh? Hiding here? Huh? Oi. Meow. Sorry. It's an illusion. Here. Here. Don't tell me you're waiting for your sweetheart, Dave. Huh? What's the story, huh? What? Did she run away, huh? What? What? Hey? Meow. Meow. Okay, huh? Oh, this is the funniest guy ever. Wow.